Hi crafty friends, welcome back to my channel where I'm focused on quick, easy paper craft projects using digital scrapbook collections. If this is something you're interested in, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified about my next video. So this week I am continuing 5 days of hybrid paper craft projects. So hybrid simply means that I am using a digital collection and creating a physical item with it. Today I am featuring the Changes collection by Amy Harrison. Amy's Changes collection is available at digitalartistry.com and their website, I'm going to link it below, is digital-artistry-online.com. Here is what that collection looks like. So for this project, I use the page kit. She has a lot of add-ons, just like a physical paper collection would. So let's jump into what we're making today. This is a bookmark greeting card. So what's special about this is you can pull this out, you have a pretty card, but you also have a gift. This is a bookmark, it's layered. On this version, I show it with stitching. I stitched here as well as on the edge of the card. I'm going to walk you through how I made this today, and I am going to skip that stitching. And then it's got a little bit of seam binding at the top. It's nice, it slides right in here. You open it up, you write your greeting in here. So it's sort of like a gift with the card, and this should fit in a standard envelope. So let's talk about how I did that. I'm going to include measurements below, but there's only a few pieces to this. So on this card, I used an orange background. On today's, I'm out of the orange, so today we're going to do this on white. And I simply printed a piece of, actually 2 pieces of this watercolor paper from Amy's papers. And all we're going to do is add some foam tape on the back so that this is popped up. Give it a little bit of dimension. And I buy this foam tape at the Dollar Tree. True story, during COVID, my local store was out of it. So I actually went online, and they make you order like a whole case, which I did, and I am still working through that case. And I use a lot of foam tape, let me tell you. So I'm going to pop this up. This card comes together so stinking fast. So I'm just going to eyeball it, do my best to get it straight top to bottom and side to side. And I think I got it. So now this, we're going to put this on just to create the belly band. And I'm going to be using wet glue for that. You can stitch it. If you want to stitch it, obviously, you need to do that before you adhere this piece down. I am so irresponsible with my glue. I always forget to close it. And then it gets gooped up and won't come out. And of course I'm on camera. Okay, we got our glue down, or we've glued the edges now, and you'll note that there's still room to slide this easily. We want it a little on the snug side, but we also want it to slide easy. So let's work on our bookmark. All right, so this is the bookmark. Actually, it comes like this without the words, without this circle. So it's a frame. You could put a picture in behind that. I just filled this in with a kind of a dusky purple color. It matches some of these florals. I just color picked it in Photoshop. And then I used one of the word strips and I put it in Photoshop and gave it a shadow. So words are where most change begins by Brandon Sanderson is a quote that Amy included in this kit, and I thought it's perfect on a bookmark. So I simply printed that, and then what I will do is adhere this onto this pale purple cardstock. All right, so I recommend you use glue. However, my glue is clogged and I want to get this finished. So I am going to use a tape runner. Oh, and look at that, I pulled the paper right off of it. This is crazy sticky. All right, so again, I'm gonna eyeball this, line it up, adhere that down. If you want to stitch, now's the time to do it. I'm not going to for this one, but I am going to hole punch here. Again, I want to try and center that. And then we're going to use this darker colored seam binding. Love this stuff. It's my favorite kind of ribbon. I just love the texture on it. All right. Pull that through. There we go. And then we are ready to add a couple butterflies and our word strip. All right, so I used my Cricut to cut these pieces out. I'm going to give them a little bit of tape runner. And I'm simply lining that up top to bottom. There we go. And then we're going to give a little dimension to the butterflies just by sort of shaping them here. I'm going to put a little adhesive on the back. I only use 2, but I'll tell you, you could go nuts with the butterflies. I can make a card just with butterflies. I absolutely love butterflies. I love everything that they symbolize and represent. All right. And there you have it. How quick and easy is that? It's a gift and a card all in one. So again, I'm going to link the kit below to the Change Kit by Amy Harrison. And just a reminder, this week I am doing 5 projects in this hybrid paper craft series. I have featured this kit. I think that was on Monday. I will link that below in case you want to see this used in a different way. And hey, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great week.